I will show you how to add friends in GTA 5 online. First, open the GTA 5 game. Make sure you are in GTA 5 online mode. Then press Home on the keyboard. Choose the Social section. Here there are Friend Request and Find Friends. If your friend has requested friendship, then it will appear here. If not, you can find it in Find Friends. Type your friend's Rockstar ID. Then click this icon to add. You can also add in other ways. Press ESC on the keyboard. Choose Online. Search for players. You can add friends this way too.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.